Hi, beautiful. The night kind of got away from us and our meal plan fell through, so we're switching things up and we're going to do a quick and easy dinner tonight. When we run into this kind of a hurdle, a lot of times we make bagel pizzas. So I always keep a jar of tomato sauce in the pantry. Primal Kitchen has really good ingredients with their tomato sauce, so something I would definitely recommend looking into. We always have bagels. And I'm gonna actually use up some of these meatballs that were also in the freezer. There were some leftovers from a few weeks ago that we froze to top the bagel pizzas. A little bit of mozzarella cheese, again, out of the freezer. I always keep a stash in there for nights like tonight that I can pull it out and use it. And then, of course, our absolute favorite here at the FULLforLife kitchen, spinach. So just a quick meal idea. Instead of throwing your healthy meals to the wayside, keep some staple ingredients in your pantry that you can throw together a simple meal that works for you and your family on nights like tonight when your meal plan just doesn't work out. Cheers to a healthy lifestyle and living full for life.